Next section we are going to detail about personal and social adjustments. Personal adjustment means individual adjust himself. Social adjustment means adjustment in groups and society. Personal and social adjustments have been promoting mental health and mental hygiene. Personal and social adjustment is foundations of mental health. Understanding human adjustment means knowing what it is and various forms that it assumes. It means knowing how the different forms of adjustment are interrelated. More than that, understanding requires us to determine how adjust is related to mental health, normality and efficiency. Adjustment. What is meant by adjustment is other term is that adaptation. Can you define adjustment? It has been defined as process of altering behavior to reach a harmonious relationship with the environment. Personal adjustment. Definition. Adaptation of the person to the personal environment. Adjustment may take place by adapting the self to the environment or by changing the environment. What do you think about social adjustment? Definition. Social adjustment is an effort made by an individual to cope with standards, values and needs of society in order to be accepted. Process of personal adjustment. First, a need or motive. Second, persistent stimulus. 3. Non-fulfillment of this need. 4. Exploratory behavior. 5. Problem solving. 6. Response that removes the initiating stimulus. 7. Completes the adjustment. Factors determine personal adjustment. First, stress and adaptation. Second, social influence. 3. Social facilitation. 4. Imitation. 5. Compliance to others. 6. Conformity to norms. 7. Obedience. Process in social adjustment. First, stress and adaptation. The stress is experienced as irritation, as discomfort. Times produces defense response. Second, social influence, inducing change in other person. 3. Social facilitation, efforts to bring changes in performance of an individual are called social facilitation. 4. Imitation. Imitation involves change in focal persons. behavior that matches as copying others' behavior. 5. Compliance with others. Human being as a social being has to adjust himself in the social environment. In his daily life, he commands others and works according to his one or others' rules and regulations. 6. Conformity to norms. Conformity is the situation wherein individuals change their behavior so that they may become more similar to those of the other members of the group. 7. Obedience. It is the situation wherein the agent has legitimate right to influence the focal person and the focal person has the obligation to obey. Types of adjustment. 1. Child adjustment. 2. Youth adjustment. 3. Parent adjustment. 4. Familial adjustment. 5. School and college adjustments. 6. Workplace. 7. Community. 8. Environmental adjustment or adaptation. Need of personal and social adjustment. First need personal hygiene. Second need mental hygiene. 3. Physical health. 4. Mental health. 5. Social well-being. 6. Prevent stress and diseases. 7. Promote health. PSA versus health. Personal and social adjustment directly regulate the health status. First, regulate mental health. Second, promote physical health. Then, regulating social well-being. Adjustment disorders. Emotional or behavioral symptoms. Depression, anxiety, school behavior problems, fighting, work problems. Academic problems, social conflicts or withdrawal, physical complaints, specific stress, acute specified reaction, post-traumatic stress disorders, PTSD. Personal and social adjustment training, PSAT. Personal social adjustment training, PSAT. Training for promote personal social adjustment. Variety of vocational embedments. Designed to address work-related behaviors that inhibit clients' abilities to successfully search for a job, achieve and maintain employment. Structured group training program build the practical and behavioral skills, competitive and sometimes supported employment, appropriate strategies, tactics and behaviors that can help in finding and securing long-term employment. Appropriate interaction in the workplace, grooming and hygiene as related to work habits, attitudes such as attendance, punctuality, etc. Personal, vocational and social adjustment. Training may be provided in the following areas: appropriate interaction in the workplace, grooming and hygiene as related to work, mobility training in use of public transportation, work habits and attitudes such as attendance, punctuality, phoning in if ill, returning promptly from breaks and lunch, personal budgeting, banking and nursing versus social and personal adjustment. This knowledge is essential for nursing for rehabilitation, prevention of diseases, interventions in every aspect of nursing intervention, then outcomes, discussion of how to initiate, maintain interaction with peers, role playing, video tapping sessions and coping strategies, principles and practice of psychiatric nursing. Thank you. Have a nice day.